to the channel, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove your light switch, what turns your lights on for your headlights. All you have to do is, if you come to this panel here, if you come to the bottom of it and you pull it, now what you have to do here is, if you have to get your hand and push up towards that way, if you know what I mean, towards that way, and then you'll feel two clips, you'll feel like a clip, push that clip up, you'll see that bottom one come in. If you see now, you can see it coming out, and then you'll have one on the top as well. If you reach up, press that one as well, and there you go, you'll see it clip out. And all you have to do is pull it out, and then the clips I'm on about. You don't have to pull that one. The main one is by pressing that there. If you see, as soon as you press that there, this one here, it presses the two down together, and then underneath you'll actually have another one as well. And that's all it is to removing your headlight switch for your Ford Transit Mark 7. And all you have to do is, if you want to remove it, is just press that clip in there to pull the wire out, and when you want to stick it back, put your wire back in, just line it up and push it straight back in. Get your panel. This is what your panel looks like. And if you want to know at the same time where your OBD port is to plug it in for your diagnostics, it's there as well. And all you have to do is just push this panel back on, push it like that, and like that, and like that, and there you go. That's all there is to changing your switch for your headlights on a Ford Transit. If this helps you out at all, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for future videos, as it does help the channel a lot. Ring the bell for video notifications when I upload a new one. And until next time, I'll catch you in another one.